Hey guys, it's Tim here with Mac Trading, and today we're going to be looking at Bollinger Bands. I'm going to show you guys how to enable them, how they can be a great indicator for entry points, and then some different strategies that help us out here at Mac Trading when we're trading. So we're just going to get right into this. So these white lines right here, those are the Bollinger Bands. So to enable this, just go to the top right here where it says Studies, click Edit Studies, and then I have mine enabled right here, but just go to this little search bar and type in Bollinger Bands, and then it has like 4 options. Just pick the one that just says Bollinger Bands, not any of that weird stuff. And then you just hit apply and OK. I'm not going to do it just because I already have mine enabled, but when you do it, usually it's like some weird ass colors which can look confusing, so I like to have all my colors the same. In this situation, I have them all white. So if you want to switch those, just right click after you have them enabled, hit Edit Study Bollinger Bands, and then right here you can just switch the color, and then do it for each line: midline, lower band, upper band. Alright, so now that you guys know how to enable those, we're going to look at some strategies. So this is Boeing that we're looking at, and this is the 5-day time frame. So we can see Boeing's pretty volatile, like most of the time, especially with day trading. I think it has an average true range of $11.60 the last time I checked, meaning that it just can fluctuate that much every single day, which is kind of crazy. But as you can see, over this 5-day period, you see these Bollinger Bands getting tighter, opening up, getting tighter, opening up, getting tighter, and so on. And that has meaning to it. So if we zoom in here from last week, right here, these Bollinger Bands are, following this price pattern with the actual stock price. And for the most part, the stock price always stays within the Bollinger Bands, meaning that it's like trading in the same area and following a pattern. So when you're looking at a stock chart, if the Bollinger Bands get tighter and start to squeeze together, as you'd think, they're called, this strategy or this indicator is called the Bollinger Band squeeze, which this can indicate that it's about to be a breakout, either to the upside or the downside. So we see that right here. So literally, I'll do this for you guys. Right here, let me just switch my shit. Right here, it was mad tight. Bam. Breakout up. Not super tight here, but it did. Why is that doing that? Oh, sorry, guys. Not super tight right here. However, it did tighten up a bit than before. And then it dropped down. Then after it dropped down, you can see another consolidation squeeze right here. Bam, another one right here. It's literally everywhere, at least within this last 5 days. And now it's starting to consolidate and squeeze again. So as you can see, every time you see a squeeze, in this example, it shot right up. Right up. I'm going to change that to a different color for you guys. Green, bam. Right up, right there. We saw one here, it shot right down. Right here, it came across again, shot right up. And it might not look that aggressive, but that's like almost a $10 move. And if you caught that, you can make a lot of money on that profit. And then right here too, squeeze a little bit, rose up about $8, and then it came back down. So yeah, Boeing's very volatile, but it has a lot of opportunity for profit. So that first indication with the squeeze is how I personally use Bollinger Bands to try to detect some breakout points. However, if you zoom in on these squeeze points, you can follow the candlesticks here, and they're all inside the Bollinger Bands. And as you see, when the uptrend first begins, it broke right out of that upper band right here. So if you see a candlestick break right out strongly, meaning, you know, it almost closed or it had a lot of volume there too, if you see that break out of the upper band, it's a great indication that the uptrend of the breakthrough is occurring, especially with, look, second, third, fourth, all of these, some of these up here are outside of the upper band, and then vice versa on the downside if it breaks down below the bottom band, then it could signal that breakthrough to the downside. But for this example, the candlestick broke through the upper band and it shot right up. We can look, we'll look right here. The candlestick broke through the bottom band and it dropped, right? Same thing. Here we zoom in. It had the BB squeeze. It was consolidating within these Bollinger Bands. Dropped down a little bit and then it started to rise. Boom, right there. Boom, through the upper band. Boom, through the upper band. And now, if I had to make a play on this solely based on the Bollinger Bands, it's actually looking extremely tight right now in comparison with these. It looks even tighter than the first one when it made that big move. So this looks like it's going to make a huge move, if not Monday, sometime this week. But we do still have to wait for that, see where it consolidates or if it continues, and if it breaks through the upper or lower Bollinger Band. So yeah, guys, I guess that's going to be it. I'm just trying to keep it simple and straightforward, to be honest. So that's how I use Bollinger Bands to detect breakouts. And I think with this, with Boeing, actually I made a play. And I think I did it early day here, I believe. No, it's 7-1, 6:30. I don't know, maybe it was like right here, I think I like caught this move right here. I'll go to the day chart. And yeah, guys, that was a 5 minutes, but you can just use the, you can use it for the 1 day, 1 minute time frame as well. So yeah, I forget where I put the play, but I made like $176 in like 4 minutes. And it's really easy. Even if you were scalping and you entered right here, you could catch that, and that could be a big profit too. This all the way up, that could be a big profit too. So yeah, guys, enable the Bollinger Bands. I hope you guys learned something in this video. If you want to see something else in future videos, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like the video, and yeah, subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and we're going to be posting a lot more soon, guys. We're excited, so peace out.
If they tell me that I got one shot, I'ma go. I ain't going out like no, ain't these know. I'm going out with these riches and these bitches know. I'm going out past that limit, let my glizzy blow. Started with a dream, I lost my brother, think about him daily. See the finish line in my eye, pray to God I make it.